Hola, ¿cómo está everyone? How is everyone doing today? This is probably going to be my most controversial video to date for clearly ridiculous freaking reasons. Okay? If any of you establishments or businesses are enforcing the orange juice jab in order to have your participants participate in anything, okay? Let me ask you this. If these participants go in and do whatever you're requiring, are you going to compensate them if they have any sort of effects? Then the fact that I even have to speak in code, Morse code at least, about this is already clearly establishing the absurdity and ridiculousness of, well, what I have to do in order to display this message. Okay? So again, my point is, are you going to compensate the people who have any sort of side effects or any sort of, well, anything in conjunction to taking the orange juice? Okay? You're going to compensate them? No, you're not. Okay? Big Farm does not have enough short arms and deep pockets to even protect you. They're protected, but you're not. Okay? So every time that you guys want to impose that ridiculous rule, which it is ridiculous, okay, you're not protected at all. And you're going to be sued up the wazoo. There already are lawsuits on the record. And the reason why I'm focusing on my garden right now to keep this on topic is because anybody, frontline, police, nurses, doctors, if you have been told that you no longer have a career, okay, I will personally, if you live in this area that I'm at, okay, this is my edible landscape that we've been looking at. This produces seeds, by the way. Okay? Seeds. There you go. All right? If they're going to lock you out of your career or job or whatever, I'll be more than happy if you live in this area to give you those seeds so you can grow your own food and support your families and support yourself. Okay? If you need soap, I got you. Okay? There you go. Soap. Naturally made. There we go. Yours. Absolutely free. If I need to send it out to you, you just pay postage. Just pay postage. Postage, and I got you. Okay? But for all you establishments and organizations that are trying to push big, for you establishments that are trying to push this nonsense or whatever, okay, you're done. You're done. For lack of a better term, okay? Because Big Farm does not have your back. Okay? They don't. I do. Okay? Because I love everybody. I support everybody. With that said, be good to each other. Stay sane. And as always, stay awesome. Peace out.